Hello everyone, my name is Lawrence and today I'm going to be discussing how you can buy or how you can sell shares on Ugandan Stock Exchange. So first of all, when I talk of shares, some of you may not understand. What do I mean by shares? Actually, share simply means the part or a percentage or a certain percentage of a company. So when you buy into a company, it means you're buying part or certain percentage of a company. Simply, that's what share means. So today I'm going to be discussing how you can invest or buy and sell shares on Ugandan Stock Exchange. So let us start. Basically, Ugandan Securities Exchange in East Africa, it is relatively new compared to Kenyan Stock Exchange, and it started operating in 1998. So roughly it has been in existence for 20 years, and those years it has been in operation. Actually, it has been performing very well compared to other African stock exchanges. That's being the reason why you should start to invest in Uganda's Securities Exchange. So let us begin to discuss how you can start to buy or sell shares in stock market. So mainly, what do you need first to buy or sell shares in Uganda's stock market? Most importantly, the first thing you have to do before you do any other thing, it is doing research and searching for credible and registered trade, or they call them brokers or investment banks that are licensed by Uganda's Securities Exchange to do transaction on your behalf. Because in Uganda, not compared to other nations, Uganda has no online trading platform. So you cannot do transaction direct minus using a broker. So that's the reason why you should first look for licensed, credible and trustworthy licensed broker. So if you don't have much time around Kampala, you can go to their website, Uganda Securities Exchange. The brokers are listed on Uganda's Securities Exchange website, so you can look for the ones, and they have email, they have every address. You can write to them if you are willing to buy. So basically, after getting your trusted broker, the stock broker, the next thing you will do, actually the broker will assist you to open what they call Securities Central Depository account. And to open Securities Central Depository account, they will ask you two main important things. One, they will ask you for 3 sized passport photographs. Second, they will ask you for your national identification, passport, or driver's license. One of the 3. Those are the things they will ask you. Other things that are not very important, but they may ask you to bring your bank statement, also your location details, all your source of income. But those are not very important, but those 2, they are mandatory. So you will have to fill a form. They call Know Your Customer form. So after filling the form, you will be ready to open Securities Central Depository account. So after opening it, actually you will be ready for trading. So after opening it, what else do you need to do? After opening Securities Central Depository account, you can start buying shares. How do you start buying shares? One, if you have enough knowledge regarding trading in shares, you can go ahead and look for the companies you want to trade in and put in order. But if you don't have or you're new in stock trading, the advice is you can ask your brokerage firm or your investment bank to advise you on which companies according to your plan. Because if when you're going for the advice from the investment bank or brokerage firm, they will ask you the plan you have, whether it is long term, whether it is short term, or you want to buy in growth companies, or you want to buy in the companies that pay dividends. So according to your plan, they will advise you on which companies are suitable for your investment needs. So let us say they have advised you, or you have done research and found the company you want to buy. So what else do you do? So after finding the company that you need to buy, as already I think before, you would have to ask your brokerage firm to give you their account number where you can deposit money. After depositing certain amount of money, then you will ask them also the form. You will fill the form to where you will fill the amount of shares, which company, and the price you would wish to buy that company at. So after sending the order form, basically the order form is mainly for the people who are living nearby the brokerage firm. So if you're living outside Kampala, where most of the brokerage firms are found, you can also email your broker, instructing them which shares, what company, and what amount you would wish to buy your shares. So after instructing them, after ordering everything, the next thing your broker will do, he will have to also put a bid. It's done mostly electronically in the automated trading platform, which is operated by Ugandan Securities Exchange. So after putting a bid in the automated trading platform, if your price meets the buyer, your trade bid will be executed and your shares will be credited to your Securities Depository account. Actually, in Uganda now, you can be able to access your Securities Depository, Securities Central Depository account by using they call it is a portal. You can, if you have a password and username, you can register for that. Then you can always be able to check on how your shares are doing it. However, it's not like in Kenya. You cannot do an online trading because it's not yet there. So you can always be able to watch how your company is doing and how many shares you have. You can always be able to follow them on Easy Portal, because now you can be able to actually follow them by signing your broker. Actually, your broker will also assist you how you can access, how you can see, how you can follow your shares by using the Easy Portal. So basically, that is how you can buy shares. So how can you sell shares in case you need to sell for many reasons? Maybe one, you have made profits, or you want to also use that money, or you want to buy another company or other securities. So basically, in the same way, you can either write to your brokerage firm instructing them which company, what price, and how many shares you want to sell, or you can go to the broker's office. You also fill that form, the sale order form, stating how many shares, which company, and how many shares, and the price on which you would wish to sell your shares. So after putting your order, your broker also will place a bid in their automated trading platform. So if your price meets the buyer's price, the order will be executed, and your money, depending on what you want to use it, if you want to use it already, you'll have to give your broker your account where they can deposit the money, or if you want to buy other securities, they will deposit it on your Securities Central Depository account, where you can also buy other shares. Basically, that is how you can buy and sell shares on Ugandan Securities Exchange. Actually, another thing is if you also want to buy shares in the Kenyan Stock Exchange, actually I also made a video on how you can buy and sell shares in Kenya. It's also very easy, because what you need, you just need their different brokers which have operational office both in Kenya and Uganda. So you can those ones like Diane Brea. There is also Stanbic Bank Group Securities. There is also Alliance African Capital. All those ones have both offices in Kenya and Uganda. So if you want to also buy shares in Kenya, you can use those. Actually, for me, I used one of the brokerage firms to buy shares in Kenya, by not physically going to Kenya, because I had to do everything in Uganda. And the good thing about Kenyan Stock Exchange, they also for them they have online training program. So after depositing the money, you can trade online. So if you have time, please also watch that video on how you can buy and sell shares in Kenya, because Kenya also has very good companies on which you can buy or sell in. Basically, that's how you can buy and sell shares on Ugandan Stock Exchange. So if you like my content, please do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to comment, or if you have any questions, any queries, please do not forget to send me comments so that I can be able to answer your questions. Once again, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.